Hello, welcome back to Finder channel. Today's video is about how to delete message on your WhatsApp web. In this case, you're using your PC to open WhatsApp and you want to delete your message. But before that, please subscribe and turn on the notification. Now let's get started. First of all, of course, you have to log in into your WhatsApp using your PC. So you can search on your browser WhatsApp web, tap on WhatsApp web and scan the barcode, and after that you will be logged in into your WhatsApp. There is also a video shows you how to use your WhatsApp web using your Android or your iPhone, and after that you can scan the barcode to log in into your WhatsApp. After scanning the barcode, you will be logged in into your WhatsApp web. And you have to keep your phone connected so the message will be synced to your WhatsApp web. Okay, now let's see how to delete message on your chats, WhatsApp chat. Okay, so you can tap on a chat. Okay, as you can see here. So if you want to delete a message, you can tap on the message. Tap and click here. You can delete, you can start, forward, replay, or see the message info. If you want to delete for me. It means you delete the message for yourself. And if you want to delete message for you and for your receiver, I mean for your message receiver, for your friends or your relatives, you have to choose delete for everyone. It means your message will be deleted for everyone on the latest version of WhatsApp in this chat. So when you have deleted for everyone, so your message will not be seen anymore. It was how to delete message on your WhatsApp web. You can also receive your chat here. You can also undo the receive if you want to. And you can also pin your chat, your important chats maybe here. Your pinned chat will be on top. And you can also mute or delete your chat. Okay guys, it was how to delete message on your WhatsApp web. And if you want to know how to see your status or your friend's status, you can tap here and you can click the cross if you want to exit. And if you want to make a new group, create a room, if you want to see your profile or your received chats, or if you want to log out, you can tap on more button, click log out, and you will be soon logged out from your WhatsApp web. Okay guys, I think it's quite easy and also simple to follow. And if you have any suggestions or questions, let us know by commenting on our videos. Thanks for watching. If you don't want to miss any updates from us, please subscribe Finder channel. Don't forget to cheer up and see you guys.